Happy New Year, hip hip hooray! A brand new start is here today. Wave goodbye to yesterday. Smile big, new fun's on the way. New year, new hope, shiny and bright. New little goals we'll try with delight. Try our best and never fear. Step by step, a brand new year. I will share and I will care. Help my friends and always be fair. Kind words, kind hands, kind cheer. Let's spread love all through the year. I will learn and I will grow. Read my books and try things slow. If I fall, I'll try once more. Learning makes my mind soar. Eat good food and sleep on time. Healthy habits feel so fine. Jump and run and laugh all day. Strong and happy, hip hooray!